Hello, dear friends. Today, I will show you one wonderful recipe for chicken with vegetables in Chinese. For this, we will need 300 grams of chicken fillet, cut the chicken fillets into large strips. Chop the paprika and other vegetables as shown in the video. To make the sauce, mix 6 tablespoons of soy sauce with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of water to the sauce. And the first thing we put in the wok is the chicken. Fry it for 2-3 minutes on high heat. Then add the paprika. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Next comes the carrots. Onion, leek, add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. The cornstarch should coat all the ingredients. Then add our sauce, mix everything well, and our dish is ready. I recommend serving this dish with rice or noodles to fully enjoy its unique aroma and flavor.